What's up guys, it's me Geek. So here are the top 5 reasons why you should buy this phone. The number 5th reason is the price. You can get this brand new for 300 bucks or below, even 250 bucks. But if you're going to get from eBay, even like open box or refurbished for 200 bucks, 200 bucks, a Snapdragon 835 phone, I never heard of it. Literally, I never heard. 200 bucks, 200 to 300 bucks you can get. And my number 4 is the storage. It comes with a whopping 128 GB storage. Yes, it do not have a micro SD card. Yeah, I'm already using like most of the storage. 68% is used up. Let me free up some space while I'm giving my number 4 reason. Yeah, again the storage. The storage is one of the amazing reason. And number 3 is the high to body ratio. The body ratio on this phone is literally high. I never seen a phone with so much body ratio. Do you know how much is the body ratio? Guess 70%, 80%, and then the real answer is 84.9%. Currently this phone have the highest body ratio, period. Even the iPhone 10 or the iPhone X have less body ratio. So yeah, this was the number 3 reason. And number 2 reason is the build quality, ceramic and titanium. The build quality is made from ceramic. I like it. Yes, ceramic can get scratches. I understand, but the build quality is amazing, literally amazing. I'm a huge fan of the build quality of this phone. Literally, I love the build quality. And number 1 reason, yes, the number 1 reason why you should buy the essential for PH-1. The number 1 reason is the selfie camera. You don't know, this is 8 megapixel selfie camera, but it can record up to 4K. One of the best selfie camera ever. I just wish it comes with a video stabilizer, EIS or OIS. But this is one of the best. Literally this 8 megapixel. I have done a lot of selfie 4K video footage in Africa. Click the card button to watch. I love the camera. So this was the 5 reasons why you should get the essential phone PH-1. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي